Hello students, myself Professor Varsha Mane from Swami Ramananda Bharati Junior College, Tasgaon. Students, today we are going to discuss the appreciation of the poem Have You Earned Your Tomorrow? Now let us see the following points. Appreciation of the poem. 2.4 Have you earned your tomorrow? Following are the points. First point is title of the poem. The title Have you earned your tomorrow is the self-proclaiming title to inspire behave morally. The title is a verbal question to the readers to rethink the treatment that they are giving to others. It gives hint that we must help people around us. It confirms our bright future. The title also suggests that we should do self-introspection. या टायटलमधून आपल्याला कवीने सेल्फ इंट्रॉस्पेक्शन म्हणजे आत्मपरीक्षण करायला शिकवलेलं आहे. नेक्स्ट पॉईंट इज द पोएट ऑफ द पोयम. या मुद्द्यामध्ये तुम्हाला कवितेचे जे कवी आहेत त्यांच्या कार्याबद्दल थोडी माहिती लिहिणं अपेक्षित आहे. एडगार अल्बर्ट गेस्ट was a British born American poet who was popular in the first half of the 20th century and became known as the people's poet. एडगार गेस्ट हे जे कवी आहेत ते पीपल्स पोएट म्हणजेच लोककवी म्हणून प्रसिद्ध झालेले आहेत. His poems often had an inspirational and optimistic view of everyday life. त्यांच्या ज्या कविता आहेत त्या कवितेमधून आशावादी दृष्टिकोन दिसून येतो. आणखीन त्यांच्याबद्दल माहिती सांगायची झाली तर ही बिगेन हिज रायटिंग करियर इन 1895 ॲट द एज ऑफ 14. Edgar Guest is known as people's poet for his simple style and optimistic tone. म्हणजे त्यांना पीपल्स पोएट म्हणून का प्रसिद्धी मिळाली तर त्यांचा लिखाणाचा जो सिंपल स्टाईल आहे आणि ऑप्टिमिस्टिक टोन आहे त्यामुळे ते लोककवी म्हणून प्रसिद्ध झालेले आहेत. गेस्ट इज ॲन अमेरिकन रायटर ऑफ न्यूजपेपर अँड मॅगझिन. अमेरिकन मॅगझिनसाठी त्यांनी लिखाण केलेलं आहे. अबाउट द पोयम. हॅव यू अर्न युअर टुमारो is famous motivational poem of Edgar Guest. In this poem, the poet asking the readers whether they have done something good for others. This is the short poem of 4 quatrains. The poem guides all the readers for self-evaluation and inspires to be a good human being. Next important point is the theme of the poem. The main theme of the poem is that it's an inspirational poem. The poem focuses on the importance of human relationship. म्हणजे मानवी संबंध कसे असायला हवेत याच्यावरती कवी फोकस करत आहे. Poet is asking the readers that how they secure their future by helping others or doing our duties for others. The poet said that today's good deeds are going to be the treasure of tomorrow. Self-awareness, acceptance, trust, motivation, this involves the human relationship. Improvement of interpersonal relationship is the main theme of the poem. या कवितेची महत्त्वाची थीम अशी आहे की प्रत्येकाने आजच्या दिवशी सत्कार्य केलं पाहिजे आणि इतरांच्यासाठी काहीतरी चांगले करण्याची वृत्ती मानवी मनामध्ये असली पाहिजे, ही या कवितेची महत्त्वाची थीम. नेक्स्ट पॉईंट इज poetic device or poetic style. This is the short poem of 4 quatrains as it has 4-line stanza. The rhyme scheme of the poem is AABB, CCAA, DDEE, FFAA. The speciality of the poem is that it has 13 questions in the poem. Hence, the prominent figure of speech in the poem is interrogation. There is one more noticeable figure of speech is that alliteration. The poet also employs number of poetic devices in the poem like alliteration, antithesis, personification, etc. यामध्ये कवीने बरेचसे पोएटिक डिवाइस वापरलेले आहेत. स्पेशल फीचर्स. द स्पेशल फीचर्स ऑफ द पोयम इज द यूज ऑफ प्रोबेबिंग क्वेश्चन्स. देर आर 13 क्वेश्चन्स इन द पोयम ऑफ 16 लाइन्स. Another special features of the poem is the use of visual imagery like vanishing in the throng, sleeping fast, close your eyes in slumber. Such expressions of visual imagery make the poem more attractive. Have You Earned Your Tomorrow by Edgar Guest present a number of probing questions to a reader about how they spend their days. स्पेशल फीचर याच्यामध्ये आपण कवीने वेगळ्या प्रकारची मांडणी कशी केली आहे याच्याबद्दल सांगू शकतो. मॉरल ऑफ द पोयम. हॅव यू अर्न युअर टुमारो इज अ मोटिवेशनल पोयम. द पोयम मोटिवेट्स द रीडर्स फॉर डूइंग गुड डीड टू द others. We should give up negative actions and negative thoughts. The poem also helpful to us in the process of self-introspection. We may bring positive change in our behavior and we may become a better citizens with the help of self-introspection. According to the poet, our small good deeds are enough to guarantee our better tomorrow. Helping others is a fundamental part of humanity. This is a true and genuine way to feel better about oneself. For expecting good future from the future, we should be good, do good, get return also good. Your opinion. या पॉईंटमध्ये तुम्हाला कवितेबद्दलचे तुमचे मत व्यक्त करायचे आहे. I like this poem very much as it helps us for self-improvement. The poem is written in simple language. The poet conveys his thoughts with the help of probing questions. As I read the poem, I am inspired to make others' day better, helping them to the best of my abilities. अशा प्रकारे तुम्ही ॲप्रिशिएशन ऑफ द पोयम हा जो क्वेश्चन आहे तो कंप्लीट करू शकता. थँक्यू.